Thank the Honourable Attorney General. Honourable members, the Parliament will now vote. The question is, pursuant to Section 13 of the Parliamentary Remunerations Act 2014, that Parliament makes a determination to suspend the remuneration of the following positions by 20% of the amount set out in Part A of the schedule to the Parliamentary Remunerations Act 2014 till 31 December 2020. A, the Prime Minister. B, the Minister for Economy. C, the Ministers for Health, Education, Infrastructure and Transport. D, other ministers. E, assistant ministers. F, the Leader of the Opposition. And G, the members of Parliament. Does any member oppose the motion? As no member opposes, the motion is agreed to unanimously.